This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, April 4th. Stock index futures were higher in the overnight trade, but did come under some pressure. This after one Fed official had some hawkish comments. We also had the Logistics Managers Index in the U.S. declining to a record low, coming in at 51.1 in March. So that's pointing to economic weakness that may have had a factor in some of the pressure in stock index futures. However, we had factory orders showing a 0.7% decline, worse than the guess of down 0.4%. So that tended to think that the Fed may be a bit less hawkish. Since then, there has been a recovery in stock index futures to some degree. Overall, though, stock index futures performing very well in the last month or so, in spite of the banking situation as of a couple of weeks ago, and even though we have had hawkish comments from Fed officials. So to ignore some bearish news and bearish commentary should be viewed as a sign of at least short-term strength for stock index futures. In the currency markets, the dollar index under some pressure, underperforming with two economic reports coming in on the weak side. The other one was the JOLTS report, the job openings and labor turnover survey, showing a smaller number, indicating less jobs available. So the dollar index underperforming, suggesting that maybe the Fed cannot be as hawkish as they are indicating. And in the interest rate futures markets, some pressure in the overnight trade, but good gains more recently as two economic reports came in on the weak side. Still thinking that the Fed, even though they're talking hawkish, that they cannot be as hawkish as they are indicating. And it still looks like there's a very good chance that the Fed will remain on hold at the upcoming May 3rd meeting. Also, it still looks like futures are likely to advance, with the fundamentals and technicals still very supportive for the interest rate market futures. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.